Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make lemon garlic butter baked chicken and rice. My family is obsessed with this recipe. It is so easy to put together and so ridiculously flavorful. You are going to love it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease a 9x13 pan. Add 1 cup of either jasmine or basmati rice to the bottom of the pan, and I kind of just spread it out there. I'm also gonna sprinkle in 1 cup of freshly grated or shredded, in this case, Parmesan cheese. Be sure to use fresh, as it really does melt better, so it is worth the extra effort. I'm gonna pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, season with half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Add a couple teaspoons of freshly minced garlic, and we'll give this a gentle stir to combine. Stay gentle so that you have that even layer of the cheese and rice, because we're gonna season our chicken and then put it on top. For our seasoning blend, you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then half a teaspoon each of black pepper and crushed red pepper flakes. Grab 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and you're gonna sprinkle the seasoning over the tops and bottoms to coat. We wanna be generous because this seasoning not only seasons the chicken, but it'll also seep into the rice as well. Then we'll place these directly into the pan. Then we're gonna grab a lemon and zest it directly over the top of our chicken, and the little creamy sauce as well. It's gonna get in there too. It's an extra step, but it's worth taking because the zest really brightens that lemony flavor. Then you can cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly over the top of the chicken. The last step is to slice some butter into 1 tablespoon sized pieces and place 1 on top of each piece of chicken. Cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil, and then we can carefully transfer this to the 350 degree oven for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, you want to remove the aluminum foil and let it continue cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. With chicken, you always want to cook to a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, but with dark meat, you get a little juicier chicken if you cook to 175. You can serve it as is, or if you want to be fancy, you can add on some chopped parsley and slices of lemon. Both the chicken and the rice are so packed with flavor. The rice is creamy and cheesy and delicious. I promise you right now, this is one you're gonna make again and again. So good. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.